If you have a very plain, simple looking house, you can certainly benefit from having a simple roof structure like this built over your front door. It'll serve as a focal point and a very distinctive feature, a very important element of having the right kind of curb appeal. Now this one will look great once we have stucco here, bricks here, and then the bricks leading right out onto the driveway. Should look perfect. Now if you have the right style house, you can even build a much larger front porch so that you can have your friends and neighbors all gathering around on the old front porch. But you can also achieve that same distinctive look on the front of your house by simply changing your front door.
Now, when you go shopping for a front door, you're going to find three different kinds: wood, steel, and fiberglass. And while all three can be finished to resemble wood, for many homeowners, nothing beats the natural beauty and warmth of a real wood door, which is what I have here. I'm just prepping it for staining. Now, when you consider a wood door, you have to remember that you have to protect it against the elements. Now, the finish will help, but in this case, we have a head start. This door by Gelwin has an Auralast treatment. Now that's distinctive in two ways. First, the treatment goes all the way through the woods for 100% protection against moisture, decay, and termites. Secondly, unlike other treatments, wood treatments, this one will not affect the color of the stain. So no matter what color you choose, the way it comes out of the can is what you're going to see when you're done. Now, after staining, it's really important to make sure the stain is totally dry. Then you need to apply 2, maybe 3 coats of a high-quality exterior grade clear top coat finish.